Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Besam number US05-1719-15 magnetic catch in aluminum, number 2 carrier kit. Let's pull it out of this packaging here. And this video is obviously meant to provide visual and dimensional evidence of the item. Got some aluminum, got some steel. Overall length of the aluminum block, about 3 3/4 by 1 inch by about 3/4 inch. The steel angle, about 2 7/8. Overall height about 1 inch. Its overall depth is about 1 3/16 inches. And then the height off of the steel plate looks like it's about 7/8 of an inch. A welded on pin there. Okay. In this video, again, just to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of this item, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Besam products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog, and other encyclopedic documents are kept there as well. Any questions on the Besam US05-1719-15 magnetic catch, number 2 carrier kit, or any other Besam product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.